Good evening to everyone. My name is Mohammad Alim S. I am from Electronics and Communication Department. In this project phase 2 second review, our project title is Smart Helmet Control Vehicle. Team members are Balaji S, Manoj AM, Mohammad Faizan and me under the guidance of Anil Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor SJCIT. Next outline of our project is introduction, objective of the project, statement of the problem, methodology, literature survey, block diagram, hardware and software requirements, algorithm, applications, advantages, results and reference. Next introduction of our project. Invention of automobiles has been one of the greatest success of mankind that has helped in the national growth greatly. In our country, lot of inventions are happening. We are taken about two-wheelers in automobiles. However, we cannot ignore the number of casualties due to these automobiles, in which thousands of people losing their lives because of accidents. Casualty in traffic accidents are mainly caused by collision of vehicles, and loss of life is due to the lack of safety of gears. People are not maintaining the safety of gears. Our project is helps to avoid the accidents. Next objective of the project. The idea for our work is that biker must wear the helmet. Without helmet, the bike won't be start. The smart helmet project not only enforces the biker wear the helmet while riding, but it also incorporates the technology of informing the family of the biker if in case he met an accident. When accident happen, it will send the exact location of the accident to the family members through SMS. Statement of the problem. Most of the accidents is due to common negligence of not wearing the helmet, and it also many deaths will occur. Nowadays, people are not maintaining the safety of gears. This is the main reason of accidents. Our project is helps to avoid these accidents. This motivates us to make about making a system which ensures the safety of biker and making it necessary to wear the helmet. As per government guidelines, also to get proper and promote medical attentions after with an accident. Next topic will explain by Manoj methodology.
The next topic is methodology. It will ensure that rider has worn the helmet or not. If he fails to wear the helmet, the bike will not start. And then if the rider has drunk, the bike will not start. And the accident detection module will be installed in the bike, which is able to detect the accident and will not able to able to notify and fix the accident to the police control room. And next, the identify the voice commands. The vehicle indicator will be activate response according to the voice commands. The next topic, literature survey. In May 2016, International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology started this project and named Smart Helmet and Intelligent Bike System by Professor TPP and Mr. Sung Akshay yes, Mr. Torate Anirudh and Bosale Nilesh P. The abstract of this project is the aim of this project is to make the protection system in the helmet for a good safety of a bike rider. The smart helmet that we made is fixed with sensors which act as to detect where helmet or not. There is two different microcontrollers used in this project. Each unit use a separate microcontroller. For the bike unit, we use Arduino LilyPad, and for helmet unit, we use ARM LPC 2148. The signal transmitting between helmet unit and bike unit is using RF concept. The next literature survey is in July 2017, International Journal of Engineering Research and Technology started this project and named Smart Helmets Vehicular Safety Using Wireless Sensors by Kanika Mukherjee and Salil Gupta. The abstract of this project is once the helmet is worn by a radar, the pressure sensor senses the specific pressure and sends the data via Bluetooth module on the helmet to the onboard module. On the vehicle, the data received from the vehicle helmet is computed on the basis of these computations. The engine of the vehicle can start it. If the pressure sensor fails to send the adequate data to the module, the engine of the vehicle would not start. The next step will explain by Faizan.
In this our project, we have the two sections. One is the bike section and the helmet section. And this is the helmet section. In helmet section consists of temperature sensor, alcohol, gas, and lock switch. The alcohol sensor is connected to the digital pin of eight digital pin of Arduino, and a common ground is given and common VCC supply is given. Then come to the temperature sensor. Temperature sensors generates an analog output. So the temperature sensor pin is connected to the A0 of analog pin of Arduino. And a lock switch we have given the is connected to the Arduino board. And we have the Zigbee. Uh, Zigbee is connected to Arduino, which transfer the data between the two devices. And the transfer of data between two devices is communication by UART, nothing but universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. With the help of serial communication, it transferred between the two modules. And next is the bike section. Bike section mainly is used to detect the oxygen accident happened or not. Here we are using the accelerometer, which helps in the accident is happened or not. Whenever the accelerometer consists of three coordinates x, y, z, whenever this coordinate changes, it indicates the accident is happened. And LCD display will display whether the helmet is wear or not, alcohol is detected or not. Ultrasonic sensor consists of 4 pins. It is trigger and echo. Trigger which sends the signals to the signal, and echo which receive the signals. Both are connected to the Arduino pin of 6th and 7th pin, which helps to detect the distance between the objects. When you come to the relay module which acts as switch, which is where if all the conditions are satisfied, engine will start. Okay, this system, as I told, this system consists of two units, bike unit and helmet unit. And the output of the temperature is analog, so we can convert it to digital by using ADC. Arduino Mega 2560 consists of a total 54 digital input output pins. Temperature sensor can be directly interfaced with Arduino. It can provide 5-volt DC supply and run from Arduino. The sensor data pins can also be directly connected to any of the Arduino digital input output pins. When temperature sensor data pin should be digital output, and then the Arduino sends the start signal. We are using the Bluetooth module for the communications to indicate whether the indicator to turn off and turn on the indicators. Next, we are using a Zigbee, which is the low cost and low powered mesh network widely developed for controlling and monitoring applications. Zigbee uses serial port to send and receive data, so it can easily interface with Arduino. An accelerometer is a device that measures the vibration or acceleration motion of a structure. GPS module which helps we use to track or find the location whenever the accident happened. It sends the current location to the family members. LCD display used to display the required data. Bluetooth module is used to indicators via voice. This is the hardware components of our project. We are using a microcontroller Arduino Uno and Arduino Mega 2560 and Zigbee 2.4 GHz transmitter and receiver, LCD display, Bluetooth module, temperature sensor, accelerometer sensor, ultrasonic sensor, GPS module, alcohol sensor, DC motor, relay module, buzzer, Wi-Fi module. We are using the software Arduino IDE.
Next topic will explain by Balaji.
Here is the algorithm or step-by-step procedure. The first step is to identify whether the helmet is worn or not. If helmet is on, then ignition will start, otherwise it remains off. For this, temperature sensor is used to detect human temperature. And the second step is alcohol detection. Alcohol MQ3 sensor is used to breath analyzer, which detects the presence of alcohol in rider's breath. In third step is whether the helmet is locked or not. In this condition, lock switch is used. When these three conditions are satisfied, then only ignition will start. All the conditions are displayed on LCD screen, each condition assigned with single character transmitted through Zigbee. If the rider has met with an accident, he or she or the person may not receive medical help instantly, which is one of the main reasons for death. The fourth step is using MEMS accelerometer. sensor in bike unit. Whenever X, Y, and Z coordinates changes, it indicates accident detection has been changed. By this mechanism, accidents can be detected. GPS module sends to exact location of longitude and latitude will share through messages in Telegram app to the family members. And the fifth step is ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance behind the vehicle. When the object is closer, it indicates object is detected in the LCD screen. And the sixth step is to detect the technical issue. When both helmet and receiver part may damage, it indicates technical issue. The last step is Bluetooth indicator. It will detect the voice when he or she or the person tells left, it will on the left indicator. Same as right, it will on the right indicator. If all conditions are satisfied, then the bike will start. And applications. Here are some applications. Initially, it can be applicable in military purpose, and features like it can involve cameras, prototype helmet, which is also called lightweight to carry, and night vision, etc. And used in automobiles. As our project is divided into two units, helmet section and bike section, as vehicles also included, it can be used in automobiles also. And it can be used in a real-time safety system in which to control head injury or heavy damage, etc. And less power consuming safety system can be implemented in cars by replacing helmet with seat belts. And also it can be applicable in medical fields also. For example, when an accident takes place, immediately from GPS module, it will send messages to nearby hospitals and family members. Where hospitalization is also present in this process, it can be applicable in medical field as well. And advantages. Here are some advantages. Accident can be avoided by strictly wearing the helmet. It reduces manual effort. For example, in traffic, it reduces the work for the policemen when heavy traffic involved. And automated system like left and right indicators, detection of alcohol are included. And it is easy to implement, less power consuming safety system, cost effective, and later on the whole circuit or the whole module can be implemented in a single chip or module. And the next one is our expected outcomes. Yeah, should turn off the engine without helmet by sensing or detecting the helmet on biker. Should detect the alcohol if consumed by the biker or the rider, in which this aspect overcomes the accidents. And should provide safety to rider. Should be able to send messages about the location in accident incidents. That is by sensing the heavy damage in the helmet. And the next expected outcome is additional security. And the next topic is continued by Alim.
Smart helmet control vehicle. Next is ultrasonic sensors. It will detect the distance behind the vehicle. In LCD display, we can see here distance is 167. It's displaying it through ultrasonic sensors. It will detect the distance behind the vehicle. When the object is closer, it will detect the object is detected. Next is temperature sensor. It will detect the human temperature through temperature sensor. When without helmet, the bike won't be start. In temperature sensor is the helmet part is there. When the human is present, it will detect the human temperature. Then bike will start. Without helmet, the bike won't be start. It will detect the human to temperature sensor. Here human is not there, so it is displaying as temperature is not detected. Next, alcohol detection. In alcohol MQ3 sensor, it will detect the alcohol gas. We are using the permanent marker as a alcohol because in permanent marker the alcohol gas is there. It will detect the alcohol gas. When you can see here the serial monitor of output, alcohol detection, alcohol detected, engine off. It when the alcohol gas is detected, it automatically engine will off. Next is Bluetooth indicators. When we can tell like left, it will on the left indicator. We can see here left indicator is on in LCD display through voice control port. Same as right, when we tell the right, You turn on the right indicator. It will also display the, you can see the displays right indicator is on through voice control board. Next is accident detection. When accident is happened, it will send the exact location of accident through message. We can see here is giving LCD display as accident is detected. Messages also it will go. When the MEM sensor XYZ direction has been changed, it will detect the accident has happened. It will send to GPS module. It will send the exact location of accident through message. Here we can see the message as emergency at Google Map links. It will send to link the exact location of accident. When we click the link, it will open the Google Map. We can see here the
Next
exact
is
location of
results of
accident
our project.
through maps. Next is the project demonstration.
Invention of automobiles has been one of the greatest success of mankind that has helped in the national's growth widely. However, it cannot be ignored the number of casualties due to these automobiles, in which thousands of people losing their life. Casualty in traffic accidents are mainly caused by collision of vehicles, and loss of life is due to lack of safety of kids. People are not maintaining the safety of kids, so most of the major this accident will be happened. So in the our project is helps to avoid the accidents. The first step is temperature sensor. Whether the helmet is over or not, it will detect through the temperature sensor. If helmet is over, then ignition start, otherwise it remains off. It will detect the helmet is over or not through temperature sensor. When human wear the helmet, the temperature sensor will detect the temperature of human. Then it pass through the relay. Bike will start. Second step is ultrasonic sensor. Is used to measure the distance of behind the vehicle. When the object is closer, it indicates object is detected. It will measure the distance of behind the vehicle it coming. Third step is alcohol MQ3 sensor. It will detect the alcohol gas. Here we can see permanent marker. We are using permanent marker as a alcohol detection because in permanent marker alcohol gas is there. It will detect the alcohol gas through alcohol MQ3 sensor. When alcohol gas is detected, automatically engine will off. The bike won't be start. Engine will off. Fourth step is GPS module. In this, accident will detect. If the rider met with an accident, may not receive medical help instantly, which is one of the main reason for death. Here we are using the MEM sensor in bike unit. Whenever XYZ coordinate changes, it indicates accident direction has been changed. By this mechanism, accident can be detected. GPS module send the exact location of longitude and latitude will share through message in Telegram app to the family members. When accident happened, the XYZ coordinates will changes. The exact location of accident will send through the message. Here we can see the message emergency at Google Map link. When we click the link, it will open the Google Maps. The Google Maps and display the exact location of accident. You can see here the exact location of the accident. Fifth step is Bluetooth module. Here we can see voice port. We have to give the comments like left and right. First, we need to connect the Bluetooth. The device name is FC8. Next, we can tell like just left. Then it will on the left indicator and displays in LCD display is left indicator is on. Here we can see the LED and LCD display in left indicator on. Same as right, when we had tell the right, it will on the right indicator, and next it will display in LCD display has like right indicator on. We can see a right indicator on and LCD display it will display in right indicator is on. Next is technical issue. If any components may be damaged, it will display in LCD. It is a technical. Thank you. These are the reference. Thank you.
Yes, very nice, all of you. You have done a great job. Okay, so the presentation as well as the project is very excellent. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm very happy with your presentation, first of all. Okay, so very nicely
Thank you,
have
sir.
done. Keep it up in future also. But let me ask some questions that is not regarding to your project, because I took phase 1, phase 2, and some other reviews. I know each and every concept, each and every point or any queries with respect to your project work. Okay. So now, have you published your work through any journals or any conferences till now?
Sir, we are presented as in IEEE Mysore competition, sir. Mysore.
Okay.
The national level
Recently,
conference.
national
Have
conference.
you received certificate?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We are received.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So other than that, any other competitions like exhibition or some other competitions?
Sir, next we are applied in college, sir. Next day, 19th, no, sir. We registered in competition also, sir.
Symposium, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.